Welcome to day 11 of the Love Yourself More experience. Today, I want to briefly touch on what we covered in the Zoom class and encourage you to go listen to it so you can dive deeper. We cleared a bunch of beliefs and feelings and cycles, but I think the two most exciting things we did are one, we cleared an energetic weapon with a hammer. It was this giant hammer, almost like a Thor hammer. And what we used this hammer for was to knock ourselves down or beat ourselves up. So this hammer had a lot of judgment and criticism and negative energy to it, and we'd use it to hurt ourselves. So we cleared out that energetic weapon. And I don't often get like a replacement to weapons when I clear them, but this time I did. I actually had this beautiful visual of a soft blanket or pillow. So I figured each one of you could choose, like, do you want the pillow or do you want the blanket or both? And the covering was really like comforting and warm. And when I looked closer, it looked like little angel wings of love and acceptance and worthiness and just all the beautiful things we want and that help us to love ourselves more. So we got this replacement energetic comforter almost that was really beautiful to see. So obviously we go way deeper in the online class, so take time to go watch that in the classroom. And the second thing that I thought was really cool was I had this visual of our love bucket, and the love bucket had a hole in it. And I saw angels come and like fill the hole with this magical putty. And what happened, I guess I want to say the love bucket, it was made of wood and was kind of one of those old fashioned buckets that was falling apart and had the hole in it. So when they put the putty in it, it changed the bucket into this beautiful, ornate, simple, but beautiful metal bucket with like etchings on the side that were really beautiful. And so we had this love bucket that was now fixed, no hole in it, and it was full of love. And then I got the image of our heart. You remember back when we had our heart, and next to the heart was the locker, and some of us put some love balls in the locker to lock them away. But what I saw is our heart and our locker, I guess our love locker, were both in the love bucket. So really, yes, our love buckets are full. We can feel more of it when we take the love out of the locker, but it's all there. We are loved. Oh, and it just felt so good to fix that love bucket and to see it full of love again. So that was what we covered. I mean, it was an hour-long class, so we covered a lot more, but those were my highlights. About what kind of weapons, energetic weapons, do you have in your life that are hurting your self-love? How do you beat yourself up? How do you knock yourself down? Or others maybe do. I don't know. That's totally possible. But these energetic weapons, whether they be words or thoughts or beliefs, we cleared those out, and you can clear them out. Go listen to the class and have that energy cleared, and have instead that comforting blanket or pillow of love, and feel the strength that that gives to you as you love yourself more. And it was a fun class. I'm glad that I was able to record it in case you weren't able to make it live. You can still go benefit 100% from it. So take time out of your day to go and do that. Enjoy.